What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another JC Random 1209 video. Today we're going to be blowing up this terracotta clay figure statue. As you can see, we already blew most of it up, or we shot it with a .22 birdshot. And we shot it with a couple times with a BB gun. And now we're going to get a firecracker and literally blow it up.
Stick it up the hole.
Alright. So, don't do it without an adult, or do not do this at home. Let me see them. Yeah. These are what we're going to be using today to blow up the terracotta soldier. They're well, we're gonna be using them to blow up the terracotta soldier.
Make sure it's not loaded.
Dad, we're gonna use both of them.
We'll use one at a time.
Okay. So we're gonna use one at a time, but we're slowly gonna blow it up. We're going to stick it in that hole that we blew up with the .22 birdshot. So let's see if we can get it in that hole right there. Devin, here, hold this camera. Don't hit any buttons. Make sure it's fitting on that.
Wait, can you hold? Just put these on your head.
I don't want them.
Okay, fine.
Are you videoing me? Yes.
It has to be look like more reality. Are you gonna light it right now?
Stick it up.
He looks like he has a big wiener. He has a big wiener. Look at this big wiener. Hey YouTube, look at this big wiener.
Devin, shut up.
But look at it.
It's so fierce.
Yeah, but where are we gonna stick the other one?
We're not using that one right now.
Okay. Looks like a big wiener. Joe, just use a match.
That was later.
Use a match.
Dad.
Later.
Yeah.
Use a match, Jacob.
You ain't light no match out here, dude.
Just use it right. Just use it on
You
the.
ain't gonna light down the lighter. Too windy.
Try.
When you light it and get away.
We're gonna do okay. So we got a lighter. Make sure you keep this on that the whole time. Even when you run.
Can I zoom in?
Stay behind the tree, Dad.
Okay. Ah! Oh crap! It blew it. It blew up, and it didn't do anything. No! It smells bad. Look at all that! It didn't even blow up entirely. Look at all the gunpowder.
Oh, I want to jump. You should have stuck it underneath this right here.
Let's do that with the second one.
Because I told you, because of the blast of the...
Why does it look so weird?
Shove it all the way through there.
Yeah. Try to stick it all the way and look like a big wiener. It's hilarious. Remember, do not try this at home. That's your fault. You're not lighting it.
Look out! Watch your eyes.
Oh, he did a flip! He did a flip! Dad, he did a flip! Holy crap! This is the remains of him. I blew up his whole bottom. Look, I knew they'd blow those up. Oh, look, here's the other half. Here's the other half of him. It doesn't say Chinese Hitler anymore. Yes, it does. This is Chinese. Chinese. Charnika Hitler.
Well, this is the remains of him. His whole body is still in.
Can I take his head off?
No, Devin! Devin!
Put his head back on. He's just messed up.
I want to try and fix him.
Are you sure you're gonna be able to fix that guy? He seems like he's blown up all the way. And if you do fix him, we can shoot him with BB guns. And then we can get your tripod. Oh my gosh. Wait, where's his other leg?
I don't know.
I think it obliterated. I'll look for it. Does his leg get blown in the inside of him? Oh, I'm gonna keep his leg.
No.
Oh, I'm gonna keep his beautiful foot.
Dad, you got any more firecrackers? Can you go get one more?
Stick it in his head.
Dad, can you get one more?
Yeah, we just want to stick it in his head.
No, not his head.
What? Yeah.
Not in his head.
Okay, fine. I want to be.
I was gonna stick it.
But why
somewhere else.
can't we stick it in his head? Your head is so big.
Dad, can you go get it?
Jacob,
No,
how do you zoom in? Yeah.
No, we're gonna do something while we wait.
Nice hat.
Okay, well, he waits and gets one more firecracker. We're going to do something hilarious.
Yeah. How do you zoom in? The magic of fire. That's horrible dancing. No wonder he said something hilarious.
Cyril's doing at that dance. Like this. There's nowhere to dance to this. There's like super slow dances.
Well, because you didn't have any girlfriend. It looks gay.
So he danced to everything.
No, that sounds gay. Why is this getting so blurry? Oh, never mind. Why is it blurry? Okay, let's go show a video of something else.
No.
Why? Who cares about your ugly dancing? Well, maybe hilarious. How about...
Watch me toss this thing back up and down. Right back.
Throw it. Chuck it. I didn't even see that go far.
Alright, so we're gonna see we got another one.
I'm gonna jack this guy up. Jack him up. Stick it through his head. Yeah, replace that as his head. Put that on the tippy top of the... Nope. Where are we gonna stick his head at? Are you sure that's gonna blow up? That's a long neck of his.
What? Yeah, well. No.
Yes. Shove it down. Joe, remember? You can make a hole and stick it down. Push! Push, Jacob, push! No matter what it does to him, push! Well, stick it in a sword.
I can't do it, Dad.
Stick it in a sword. Take out a sword and stick it where a sword is supposed to be. Jeff, stick in that hole. Down there.
I got to the part where it's really hard.
No, hold it. No, just lay it like this.
Where's his head? What about his leg? Looks like he has a big bazooka. Doesn't it look like he has a bazooka?
Keep it focused on it.
I want to keep his leg. Yeah, I know. I'm going to keep his leg. Go away. His foot. This is his foot. I want to zoom in.
The wind.
Joe, can I zoom in?
No.
I want to zoom in so bad. Okay, I want to keep it. Ooh.
Bazooka!
His head obliterated.
Oh! Oh! It was like, oh my gosh!
Find him, Devin.
What?
Find him.
This is his head. That's his head.
That's his head. What? That's his head. No. That's his head.
I have his foot.
I'm keeping his foot. That's his head.
That was right. Dad, his head's a blob.
No, this is his head. Dad.
Daddy.
Dad. That's his head. No, Mallory, no.
I'm keeping his.
Mallory!
Now people can see that she's upright.
Quit it, Mallory! Dad, get it!
Oh man, this thing's so cool. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna marry this foot of
This is his nose.
Chinese Hitler. This is the foot of Chinese Hitler. So I'm gonna keep it.
Oh my.
Oh my.
Well, that was the
that was starting.
that was the death of Chinese Hitler. Okay.
This is foot. No, his foot.
Don't even.
Fine.
Alright,
Oh
so.
my gosh, you look. I found the other parts of his face. Down there.
Alright, and be sure to check out all our other JC Random 1209 videos, and we'll see you on our next video.